Good afternoon from Power Wash Store of Central PA. I'll give you a look here at this trailer that we have. This one wasn't built for a customer. This one was built on spec. So this one is actually available right now. So if you are looking for a complete turnkey system that's ready to go, this may be a good match for you. This one is set up for both pressure washing and soft washing. For pressure washer, we have an 8-gallon per minute belt drive unit here. This one is manufactured by BE. It has the GX 690 engine on it. With that, we have an 11-gallon fuel tank here. Our tanks are going to be a series of 3 of our 100 slimline tanks. 2 of those are going to be for water, and the third is going to be your chemical tank. There are 2 7-gallon tanks here. One's in the back, and then one in the front. The one in the front is going to be your surfactant tank, and the one in the back is going to be a winterization kit to winterize the pressure washer. For here we have our proportioner for soft washing. Underneath there is a ball valve just to flush out that proportioner after you're done cleaning. This other ball valve here. We like to install these fill setups for filling up your bleach. So we like to set up these systems so that you don't have to take lids off whenever you are filling up your bleach tank, because that's usually when most of the issues start happening, is when you're filling up your bleach tank and you're spilling bleach all over the equipment, or your employees are spilling bleach all over the equipment. So what we do here, we set this up with a 12-volt pump. So you will be able to hook directly into that valve that ball valve right there, and then put a drop stick into your bulk fill tank. There's a series of 12-volt pumps back here. One of those is going to be a Bleach Fill pump, and then the other one is going to be your 12-volt pump for the soft wash system. The way that we have that plumbed, one is your working pump, the other one just for the transfer pump. However, if your working pump goes down, you can quickly switch over with some banjo fittings and clip into the other pump, so you are never down a pump. You can always finish the job. Then we have our hose reels here. We have 3 of the 12-inch. These are hand crank reels. These are our Water Dragon hose reels. They are manufactured by the Power Wash Store. We have our own stack kits that go with them. You can see in between the 2 reels, there's our stack kits. With those solid stack kits and the solid side panels, it really makes the hose reels really sturdy. So a lot of times we were needing to brace these up just to stop the wobble from happening, but we're seeing that with the extra strength in those panels there, we are having a lot less stability issues with stacking hose reels. We have our quick connect set up here for our inline water. Just a garden hose is going to connect into there to that cup filter. We like to keep those cup filters visible so that you always see them and you are emptying them on a regular basis. So the trailer itself is a 14-foot dual axle trailer. We did apply a coating to the floor just to give it a little bit of extra protection. We just rolled that on, let it sit. I installed a small toolbox here just for some loose hand tools, maybe gallon jugs. And as you can see here, we left a lot of room for storage, so you'll have no problems putting your surface cleaners, anything else you may have to carry to the job site. So again, this is Power Wash Store of Central PA. This unit is 100% ready to go. You can come pick it up and start cleaning tomorrow. If you're interested in something like this, a full complete setup, or maybe just a pressure washer or a soft wash setup, we have plenty of units in stock. So please give me a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.